What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Cadillac Escalade Sport. There we go. This vehicle is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine with 420 horsepower, and I believe it has 460 pound-feet of torque, and has a 10-speed automatic transmission. So this one is the last year of the pre-facelift of this generation of the Escalade. In 2025, it was facelifted with the new front end and a completely new interior. But yes, a very nice SUV. This generation of the Escalade has been very, very popular. They sell really, really well. And this Sport model, this is kind of like a more basic one, but the Sport Platinum will give you a lot more options. However, this one does have Super Cruise, which is cool. The Sport model will give you a sporty look. When we'll take a look at that on the outside, and you have a sportier looking interior in here. This one has Super Cruise. You have heated and ventilated seats, which is nice. You have ambient lighting. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity in here too. Digital gauge cluster. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360 view camera with a regular view as well. Black seats. You also have speakers in the headrest, which is really cool. But yeah, even for not being a platinum model, it's still very well equipped. You have a massive center console storage. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. But it doesn't look like this one has a wireless charging tray though. I think it's missing that, because I remember the Platinum having one. And it has captain's chairs. You also have a third row. They're very spacious. This one, and I believe this one's an ESV as well. Hey, let's go walk around this Escalade Sport and see what it looks like. And you also have a big panoramic sunroof, which I really like. And you have a AKG sound system. Yeah, this is an ESV. So black Raven exterior with a black interior. I like the daytime running lights. I also like the giant black grille with the big Cadillac logo. You also have fixed running boards on this vehicle. You can move the seats forward and back. You can also raise and lower the headrests. You have heated rear seats back here. Here's your cup holders. It looks pretty cool, actually. You also have dual outlet exhaust on this car. I can figure out how to open this thing. There it is. Oh, that was only for the rear glass. So you can open the glass a little bit. And obviously with the third row up, you don't really have that much cargo space, but you could fold the third row, of course. So I guess you could just open the glass if you want, like to just quickly put something, or if you're in a compromised spot where you can open the full trunk. So if you're like, you know, really close to something, then you just have to put like a little bag in the back. That's actually pretty convenient. I like that. Let's get this 2024 Escalade Sport out on the road and see how it drives. See if I can change the drive mode. There's a little mode button over there. I'm gonna put it in sport. typical Escalade acceleration. I mean, these are fast. Smooth ride. Nice. I love the ride height in this car. Keeps you isolated from the road. Escalade really does have a great presence inside the cabin and outside the cabin, both. I want to try out Super Cruise real quick. Basically, you just need to be on a road that the vehicle will recognize, and then you could see. Sometimes it doesn't work. It has to recognize the road, and it has to be a part of their Super Cruise program. Okay, so yeah, well, I've used Super Cruise more than enough. Basically, what you just need to do is make sure you're on a road that you recognize. Turn on the adaptive cruise. I think I had this setting off, and then you have to hit that button. But once I got it to in the ready mode or whatever, where it was able to work, it told me I was in the exit lane, so it wouldn't let me use it. And yeah, to use the paddles, you have to put it in the L mode. Yeah, overall, I mean, it's very, very comfortable to drive. It's quiet in here. Seats are really, really comfortable. The visibility is really good too because of how big the vehicle is. The windows are very easy to see through, so it works out well. It's a great car. And despite being a vehicle of a pretty big size, it doesn't feel like unwieldy. And it handles pretty well for being a giant vehicle. Since we've returned to Grubbs Family Dealerships, that concludes today's video. Pretty nice Escalade Sport right here. Enjoyable to drive, good looking SUV, a lot of space. And you can fit a lot of passengers in here. But thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new or certified pre-owned Escalade vehicles.